So exercise 38, question 1. We are doing strip footings from a brick wall plan and it is an L shape. So what we have to remember is that the figures for the internal corners for the X factor won't change. They won't change either for when we're doing our length of the footing. So the first thing we're going to do, it says draw a footing plan for the wall plan illustrated. Write the correct dimensions on this plan. Remember, you need to calculate the value of X. And then we're going to do a concrete order for the strip footings and allow 6% waste. Now, so we have to calculate our X. So we're going to look at, it's going to be, X is the width of the footing, so 380 minus our 230, okay, and divided by 2 is going to give us 75, and it's an overall measurement of 150, what we're adding, 75 and 75 to each side. So when I look at my side A, I'm going to draw a little plan, here. Okay, so my side A is 5.2 and I'm adding 75 and 75, so 150. So it's going to give me 5.35. Side B isn't going to change, so it's just going to be 3.4. Side C is staying the same, 3.5. Why don't we change that? Because the brickwork on the internal corners match the footing plan. Side D is going to be, it's 1.9 and we're adding 150 and it's going to be 2.05. Side E, that's my side D, side E is going to be 8.7 and we're going to be adding on 8.7, so it's going to be 8.85. Side F is going to be, you've got these two added together and you're going to then add on a 150 and it's going to be 5.45. Okay, so now we can do our intos and overs. So A, B, C, D, E and F. So we've got 5.35 and we need to do for our footing, we're doing our intos and overs, into, over, into, over, into and over. So again, we're not taking anything off B and C. So what do we take off here? We take off the width of the footing, so 0.38. So B is 3.4 minus 0. C is going to be 3.5 minus 0. D is 2.05 and it's minus 0.38. E is 8.85 and it's minus 0.38. And F is 5.45 minus 0.38. And then we do our calcs on this. So we're going to work out the length of the footing. Okay, so what we're looking at is going to be 4.97, 3.4, 3.5. And then I'm going to look at 1.67, 8.47 and 5.07. We just add all those up and we should get a figure for our length of 27.08. Okay, so we now do our volume for our concrete. So the volume is our basic thing of length times width times depth. So my length is 27.08 times the width of the footing is 0.38. Now remember, this is only concrete, so we only want that figure there. 0.375 and that's going to give me an answer of 3.859. Now I haven't finished. I've got to go and add 6% waste, so times it by 1.06, and I'm going to get an answer of 4.09. Now that's my volume. Now some people might think that we could round that down to 4 meters. No, with your order you're always going to go up 4.2 meters cubed. Even though you've added the waste, you always will go up 4.2. Okay, thank you.